Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making blondies. Now blondies are a deliciously rich, buttery, and caramel flavored dessert that is a great alternative to the traditional brownie. And they're really easy to make. So, let's get started. Alright, so let's dive right into this recipe. We're going to first preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. We're going to place half a cup's worth of unsalted butter into a pan set over medium heat or 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. We want to melt the butter while stirring the butter constantly to ensure it cooks evenly. The butter mix is going to foam around the edges. After about 8 to 10 minutes, the butter is going to turn into a golden brown and you'll see the toasted milk solids at the bottom. You're going to transfer this to a large bowl, and we're going to also add 1 cup's worth of packed light brown sugar and whisk those together until they're well combined. Next, you want to add in 1 large egg as well as 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, whisking those in until it's well combined. We're also going to add 1 cup's worth of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Whisking all those ingredients into the batter until it just forms. You also want to line a 9x9 inch pan with parchment paper. You want to pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread this evenly to fill the pan. You want to transfer this to the oven and bake it for 18 to 24 minutes or until a toothpick can be inserted into the center of the pan and come out clean. After the time is up, you want to remove them from the oven and allow these to cool completely in the pan. Once they're cooled, remove the blondies from the pan and cut them into squares. With that final step, these are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made blondies right at home. If you want your blondies to be less fudgy, you can always bake them for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. But I really like the texture. It's similar to a brownie. So when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. That's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. Or feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make blondies, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to click the subscribe button too so you don't miss out on another recipe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you an amazing pie recipe, my blueberry pie. It's really delicious. I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out my videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.